Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Wednesday the 12th of April. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, so let us have a look at what's happened overnight. Pretty much the only bit of data that came out yesterday, or significant data, was from the UK. And we can see rising food and clothing prices kept UK's inflation rate at its highest level for more than 3 years, with CPI coming in at 2.3%. As a consequence, the cable shot up and our trading challenge trade, after hitting its first target of T1, was stopped out for the second target at zero profit for the second target. So effectively we still got a winning trade, but that one's done, so we look for the next one that's about to come. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday in terms of news releases and data. Time now to have a look at our chart of the day, and the chart that I found for us today is our own Aussie dollar on a daily chart. Okay, so from what you can see, what I'm showing you on my screen here, we can see that we've had this level over here, which has been in the past acted as resistance as the market shot down, then it shot through, and then it's acted as support. So the question now remains, will it act as support again? Now, as I speak to you right now, we do have an engulfing candle situation right now. So you've got two options. Now I've just seen it a little bit late, so it's moved already a little bit, but if you were trading it as an engulfing candle, basically you would have entered the market at the bottom of this candle right there. Okay. Alternatively, if you wait for this candle to complete, it may remain as an inside candle, which will mean tomorrow you'll have a fractal over here, and then you could trade it as an inside candle, which would be tomorrow breaking through the high of the inside candle. So those are the two methods. I don't know which one you want to go for. If you're trading a little bit more aggressively in the engulfing method, well then basically you're in right now. If not, you could possibly see what the current candle finishes up today and see if you can have a go at it tomorrow. Okay, so there you go. That's our chart of the day. It's an Aussie US daily chart at support, and we're looking at some price action for some kind of a bounce. All right, so what's about to happen in the session that is about to unfold for us? We have actually quite a lot of news in this session. Starting at 6 o'clock this evening, we have Governor Carney speaking. That's for in the UK, and at 6:30 we have the average earnings index. So another big night for the pound with some data releases. Any CAD traders, at midnight tonight we have the monetary policy report, accompanied with the rate statement and the actual decision of interest rates for Canadian dollar. Now, no one thinks they're going to be changing the rates. However, the statement is going to be very significant, accompanied with that policy report as to what their plans are for the next couple of months, or possibly for the remainder of the year. So there you go. At midnight, any Canadian dollar traders. At 12:30 we also have from the US crude oil inventories. This will also affect CAD traders, as the Canadian dollar is a commodity driven currency, so look out for that. And again for the CAD at 1:15 we have the press conference, so this is where they summarize what's been released, so that's also quite important. And at 6:15 we also have Governor Pollott speaking, so huge night for any CAD traders. Okay, so keep an eye out. Of course, those times are all in my local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Time. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a great trading day. I'll see you tomorrow for the daily call, and that's bye for now.